Wood headboards have a timeless appeal that never goes out of style. The natural beauty of wood brings warmth and character to any room, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. One of the best things about wood headboards is their versatility. They can effortlessly blend with various decor styles, from classic to modern, making them a versatile choice for any bedroom. If you're a fan of the cozy and inviting charm of rustic decor, weathered and distressed wood headboards are a great option. These headboards feature a worn and aged look, often with visible knots, cracks, and imperfections that add to their rustic appeal. With their natural textures and work tones, weathered and distressed wood headboards can instantly transform your bedroom into a rustic retreat. For those who appreciate sustainable and eco-friendly options, reclaimed wood headboards are a fantastic choice. Made from salvage wood, these headboards not only add a unique and one-of-a-kind touch to your bedroom, but also contribute to the preservation of natural resources. With their history and character, reclaimed wood headboards bring a sense of charm and sustainability to your space. If you prefer a sleek and minimalist look, solid wood slab headboards are the perfect fit. These headboards feature a single, thick slab of wood that creates a clean and modern aesthetic. With their smooth surfaces and straight lines, solid wood slab headboards bring a sense of simplicity and natural beauty to your bedroom. For those who love bold and eye-catching designs, geometric wood headboards are a great choice. These headboards feature angular shapes, such as triangles, hexagons, or chevron patterns that add a contemporary touch to your bedroom. With their playful and modern appeal, geometric wood headboards become the focal point of your space, effortlessly blending style and functionality. So, whether you're a fan of traditional elegance, rustic charm, or contemporary minimalism, wood headboards offer a wide range of options to suit your personal style and enhance the beauty of your bedroom. Choose the perfect wood headboard that speaks to your taste and create a cozy and inviting sanctuary that you love coming home to. that you've invested time and effort into your wood headboard, it's essential to keep it looking its best for years to come. Here are some tips and best practices for maintaining and caring for your wooden masterpiece. Dust and dirt can accumulate on your wood headboard over time, dulling its shine. To keep it looking pristine, regularly dust your headboard using a soft cloth or a gentle brush. Avoid using harsh chemicals or abrasive cleaners, as they can damage the wood. Instead, opt for a natural wood cleaner or a mild soap and water solution for tougher stains. Your headboard should seamlessly blend with your personal style and bedroom decor theme. Whether you prefer a minimalist Scandinavian design or a cozy farmhouse aesthetic, choose a headboard that complements the overall vibe of your room. Remember, it's not just a functional piece, it's a statement of your individuality.